How to earn money with Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? Stay tuned to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. Hi guys and welcome in this video. I'll show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online. So let's get started. First, what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a power EA-driven platform that helps you generate creative content from digital art to writing materials. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high-quality, marketable content. Whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creative flair, Minddrift can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. Here we have some types of content you can create. With Minddrift, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustration, and more. Imagine selling beautifully designed digital planners on Etsy or licensing your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless, and the market for digital products is growing rapidly. So let's take a look at how you can create a unique piece of digital art with Minddrift. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Minndrift.ea. So this is the website. As you can see, here we have Minndrift and our roles here. If you are EA tutors writer, you click over here. If you are EA tutors domain experts, you click over here. If you are an editor, EA tutors expert in it, in a tutor, you click over here. Then we have blog, about us, fake. Let's know these options later. So let's scroll down right now. So what is definition of EA tutors? It is a new role arising from the advancements in EA technology. EA tutors are experts involved in EA projects. Their responsibilities include crafting text, evaluating the EA's responses, and conducting fact checks. Here we have comments of people. You can read it to more understand and know his judgment. Here we have definition of Minddrift. Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving EA. Then you have other information like try your hand at EA projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. Then we have work from anywhere in and anytime, enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule, get paid based on project complexity. Then we have collaborate and learn, join forces with fellow experts setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. Then we have join our talent pool, we have invitation, which calls specialists who administrate EA projects and ensure the highest quality of prompt generation and data markup. Then we have writing and editing, an opportunity for writers, editors, and language professionals to combine technical skills and creativity in an innovative way. Then we have domain experts. We are looking for subject matter experts in various domains from law to engineering who will join our mission to enhance AI. Then we have how to apply responsibility requirement. For responsibilities, we have first review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvement. Then we have formulate clear, effective instruction for annotation projects. Then we have develop training tasks for EA projects. For requirement, we have create comment of English intermediate or higher. Can A for detailed data labeling is all about precision. Then you have read lines to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instruction. So to apply, all you have to do is write your first name, last name, email. It's easy. So write your phone number, country, and then you write LinkedIn profile, personal website. If you are agree, you click over here. I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. If you want to submit your application, all you have to do is click over here. You have blog also. Let's go over here to know other information. You have blog and other options like rules and more. Here we have various rules. You can click over the one you want and read it and know other information. You have insights, also stories, emas, lances, vanis. We have podcast, interview with Tanisha, interview with Amy, Charlie also. Fun, we have fake, frequently asked questions, general, fakes. First we have, do I need AI development experiences? What is an AI tutor? What does a typical task look like? How many tasks will I be able to get? Can I be an EA tutor if I already have a job? Why would I want to be an EA tutor? What does the day of an EA tutor look like? What does the application process look? All you have to do is click over here and get your answer. As you can see, so there we have payment. The question of pay, we have how do I get paid? How much will I get paid? For schedule requirement, we have will I need to perform a set amount of hours every week? No, you will be free to open the Minddrift platform and complete tasks whenever you feel it's better. It's best. Sorry. Then we have how flexible is this opportunity? As you can see, so if you want to sell your content, all you have to do now that you have created your digital product, it's time to sell it. Websites like Etsy are perfect for digital downloads, while Shutterstock is great for stock images. Setting up a seller account is straightforward on Etsy. Click sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to create your shop. On Shutterstock, sign up as a contributor and upload your image. Amazon Kindle is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines to get started. Marketing types. Marketing is key to making sales, like utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your work, engage with relevant communities, and consider running targeted ads to reach your audience. So then we have creating a blog or YouTube channel can also help showcase your work and attract customers. Don't forget to optimize your product listings with keywords to improve visibility. And there you have it. With Minddrift, making money online has never been easier. Start creating today and turn your passion into profit. So this is for the video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.